In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a Squarespace newsletter with email campaigns. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head to email campaigns. You'll usually find it in the main navigation. This is the hub where you'll create, design, and manage everything for your newsletter. If it's your first time here, Squarespace may prompt you to set up the email campaigns feature. Just follow the on-screen prompts so you're ready to build. Next, start a new newsletter setup. Look for the option to create a new campaign and select a newsletter template that matches your style. Templates give you a strong starting point, but you can customize everything later, so don't stress about getting it perfect right away. Give your campaign a clear internal name so you can find it later. Now, connect or create the subscriber list you want to use. Choose an existing list if you already have one, or create a new list for this specific newsletter. You can import contacts from a file or connect signups collected on your site. If you use tags or segments, select the audience that fits your message. Make sure everyone on your list has opted in to receive emails. With your audience ready, design your newsletter signup and your email layout. For the signup, confirm the fields you want to collect, keep it simple, and customize the success message so people know what to expect. Then move to the email layout, add your logo, set your brand colors and fonts, and structure your content in clear sections. Use headings, short paragraphs, and a standout call to action button. Include alt text for images and check spacing so it looks clean on both desktop and mobile. Next, write your subject line and email content. Keep the subject concise and benefit-driven, and use a pre-header to support it. In the body, speak directly to your readers, be clear about the value, and guide them to one main action. If you personalize, use merge tags thoughtfully and ensure they're set up correctly. Before sending, preview and test the newsletter. Use the built-in preview for desktop and mobile, then send a test email to yourself. Click every link, skim for typos, confirm images load, and make sure the unsubscribe and footer details are correct. This is your last chance to catch small issues. Finally, send it immediately or schedule it for later. Double check the sender name, subject line, recipient list, and time zone. If you're scheduling, choose a time your audience is likely to check email. Hit schedule or send, and your newsletter is on its way.